Is the Earth flat or round? It's round. Okay, now let's see. How do we go about proving that? Go to the seashore. Go to a seashore and figure out why you can't, if you live on the East Coast, figure out why you can't see Spain from the East Coast of North America.
But how do you know the Earth is round? Your senses would tell you that it's flat. After all, if you stand in a large field, it actually looks pretty flat. And if you walk through that field, it doesn't feel like you're going over a curve. Could it be that the Earth is actually flat? Well, let's try an experiment. Say you're standing in a field outside of Chicago. If the Earth is flat, you should be able to see southwest and see some of the tallest points in the United States, the Rocky Mountains. But the thing is, you can't. That's because of the curvature of the Earth. You'll notice a similar problem if you stand on a seashore and try to watch a boat sail away. After a while, it will disappear from view. And not only that, but the bottom of the boat will vanish before the top as it goes over what's called the horizon line, the place where the sky meets the Earth.
In response to Bill Nye and Life Noggin. Firstly, Spain, from even a few hundred miles away, would be visually microscopic. Objects shrink as they get farther away due to the laws of perspective. Second, the reason we can't see Spain from 2,500 miles away has nothing to do with curvature of the Earth and everything to do with optics combined with atmosphere. Our atmosphere is a dense medium, and light travels slowly through dense mediums. Nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases, mixed with water vapor, keep us from seeing great distances. Research visibility in terms of meteorology. Thirdly, as Life Noggin puts it, let's try an experiment. When objects move away from a viewer across horizontal surfaces, such as basketball courts, tennis courts, ice rinks, ponds, etc., we observe the same phenomena of objects appearing to sink bottom first below the horizon as we do when watching boats sail out to sea. Boats disappearing hull first, bottoms of buildings missing from great distances, and even the sun appearing to set below the horizon can all be understood through observations on known horizontal surfaces. These illusions happen due to atmospheric effects such as light refraction, compression, atmospheric lensing, and many other factors. To learn more, check out Earth Surface Experiment Part 5 on this channel, and consider conducting similar experiments yourself.